You are welcome back to this channel. So today we want to solve this question on matrices. Given that matrix A is equal to this and we are asked to determine A transpose and B. Number two, multiplication of A by its transpose. So what do you understand by transpose? Transpose of a matrix is when row and column of a given matrix are interchanged. That is, the row of that given matrix becomes the column of its transpose. For example, if we have matrix B to be equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. So here is the row of the first row of this matrix B. So it's transposed now. So this horizontal becomes vertical of its transpose. So A11, A12. So you arrange it like that. So the second row becomes the second column of its transpose, which is A21, A22. You can start the difference there. Now, from this one now, our K is equal to 4, 2, 6, 1, 8, 7. So its transpose becomes, the horizontal becomes vertical of its transpose. So 4, 2, 6. The second horizontal becomes the second vertical of its transpose. 1, 8, 7. So that is transpose of a given matrix. When the rows and columns of a given matrix are interchanged. So we still have to multiply this A transpose by A. So that is A multiplied by A transpose will be equal to, what is our A? 4, 2, 6, 1, 8, 7. Multiply by A transpose, which is 4, 1, 2, 8, 6, 7. So the first thing that we are going to do now is to go to the first row of the first matrix. So here is the first matrix. So its row, the first row is this one. So we are multiplying it by the first column of the second matrix. So A multiplied by A transpose becomes 4 multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 4 plus 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 6 multiplied by 6. 6 multiplied by 6. So we are done with the first element of this multiplication. So we are still on the first row of the first matrix. We are multiplying it by the second column of the second matrix now. So 4 multiplied by 1, 4 multiplied by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 8, 2 multiplied by 8 plus 6 multiplied by 7, 6 multiplied by 7. So now we are now in the second row of the first matrix. We are multiplying it by the first column of the second matrix. So 1 multiplied by 4, 1 multiplied by 4 plus 8 multiplied by 2, 8 multiplied by 2 plus 7 multiplied by 6, 7 multiplied by 6. So we are done with that element. So we are still on the second row of the first matrix. We are multiplying it now by the second column of the second matrix. So 1 multiplied by 1, 1 multiplied by 1 plus 8 multiplied by 8, 8 multiplied by 8 plus 7 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 7. So we are done with that. So let's simplify. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 plus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 plus 6 multiplied by 6, that is 36. done with that one. 4 multiplied by 1, 4, plus 2 multiplied by 8, that is 16. 6 multiplied by 7, that is 42, plus 42. 1 multiplied by 4, 4, plus 8 multiplied by 2, 16, plus 7 multiplied by 6, that is 42. 1 multiplied by 1, 1, plus 6 multiplied by 6, 64, plus 7 multiplied by 7, 49. So our A multiplied by A transpose is equal to 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 36, that is 56. 4 plus 16, 20. 20 plus 42, that is 62. 4 plus 16, 20. 20 plus 42, 62. 1 plus 49, 50. 50 plus 64, 411, 114. So A multiplied by A transpose gives us what? 56, 62, 62, 114. So I explained again. Transpose of a given matrix occurs when rows and columns of that particular matrix are interchanged. That is, the column of that matrix becomes the column of its transpose. And when you are multiplying, you go through the process that I have shown you. You go to the first row of the first matrix, you multiply it by the first column of the second matrix. So you go through all those processes, then you add them together. Then another thing is that if you want to know whether you can multiply 2 or more matrices together, the first thing that you have to do is that you go and check the number of the column of the first matrix. You can see here that the number of column of this matrix A is 3. So this matrix A has 3 columns. Then the second thing is that you go to the matrix B, the second matrix, you go and check the number of its rows. And the number of rows of this matrix is 3. So this matrix, the second matrix A has 3 rows. So since they have the same number, then they can be multiplied. If otherwise, they cannot be multiplied. So till I see you in the next class, please stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.